We're going to begin by taking the mailbox cover and just bending it into an L shape. This is a 2.5-inch red velvet with the gold edge. We're going to create about 5 to 6 inch loops and just repeat that process by flipping it over several times. Now we can just take some scissors and cut off the excess ribbon. And all we have to do is just take that bow and place it inside and grab 2 of the pine branches and twist it around. We're going to take our ribbon, pinch the end, and come back underneath the swag and twist it in. Take our tail, fold it in half, and cut from the middle out towards the wired edge at an angle, which reveals a beautiful dovetail. We're going to take this end of ribbon and do the same thing that we did to the other side. Tuck it between 2 branches and twist those branches secure. Dovetail that tail. In store, I also grabbed some of these bells, and you can find those on our website. We're going to take these and twist them secure to the greens. And these will hang down below. Now give it a good fluff, and you're going to have to fluff it again once you attach this, but I'm going to hang this in my door frame using a couple command strips, and let's see how it looks. And here is how it looks hanging from my doorway. I absolutely love it, and I think it turned out so beautiful, and it was so simple and easy to put together. You can do this in any color combination. You can do it with any type of bells or other hanging objects, including icicles and ornaments and larger berries as well. Right here we have our 9-foot garland, and the first thing we have to do is fluff it. So to fluff, what we're going to do is pull apart each and every branch. Now we have some of these really pretty berries. Place your piece of berry on the spine of the garland, and then just take the twist ties and use them as if they're a pipe cleaner, securing your product in place. You can also do the same thing with some sprays. So here we have this really cute pom-pom spray. An easy hack of clustering ornaments to create a more stately look is just taking a pipe cleaner, stringing the ornaments. I'm using 3 today, and these are really inexpensive ornaments as well. You don't have to pay a fortune for high-end, high-quality ornaments to get a designer look. Taking that pipe cleaner, twisting it secure, taking those 3 ornaments, and then placing them wherever you find best. You can also pull a piece of pine in between if you would like. Now we have this really pretty white kind of fern texture. So this has lots of glitter, and it matches the ornaments and these little candy swirls. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to take the whole thing, work it underneath, and actually it'll hold just like this. Unless you really pull on it, garlands do a great job of securing its products just by sticking them in. So what we have done so far is what we're going to continue to do. It's all repetition with garlands, you guys. So if you're able to do what we have done so far, you're able to do it on a full scale and create something really pretty. And here's how the garland turned out, you guys, and I absolutely love it around my door. So I'm going to do this to every door in my house this Christmas season, and it was so easy to put together and really cost effective. And a lot of these plastic ornaments you probably already have on hand. We also used some berries, some glittery sprays, a few little fuzzy ornaments, and a 9-foot pre-made evergreen garland, and that is it. So easy to put together. And as I said before, feel free to use any color combination, any style, any particular type of ornament that matches your home the best.